You're about to see one of the worst courtroom attitudes I've ever witnessed. Glenn Lucas didn't just argue his traffic ticket, he threw it at a police officer, then looked Judge Perkins in the eye and said, "There's worse things happening in Detroit than me throwing paper." That single moment of disrespect changed everything. Instead of walking away with a minor citation, Lucas talked himself into serious consequences. Did he finally learn when the judge pushed back, or did his mouth make things even worse? Watch until the end to see how Judge Perkins handled this blatant disrespect and what punishment Lucas ultimately received. Hit subscribe because you won't believe how this one ends.
Is here or was here.
Your Honor, it's a 12-month delayed sentence, Your Honor, of littering. He'd like to bail himself of the people's offer.
And which one is that for 12-month delay?
I think it's 641 is the last number she gave me.
Littering?
Yes.
That's not it.
That's it, Your Honor.
How is that it on a 12-month delay on a civil infraction?
That's what I'm saying.
That was the offer, Your Honor.
I'm confused.
Are we going there, Mr. Taylor? How am I gonna, I can't sentence him to a 12-month delay on a civil infraction.
Okay.
It either has to be on the alcohol-related violation or on the open alcohol in the motor vehicle passenger.
Yes, let's do that one, Your Honor. That's fine.
Which one?
12 months delayed on open.
All right, look. Go ahead, Mr. Taylor.
Yeah, he wants a 12 months delayed on the open alcohol passenger.
You want to take the deal, sir?
I want to take that deal because the alcohol wasn't mine. That was in the car. I wasn't driving. That wasn't mine. I was just. And we're at trial. We're at trial. The people are supposed to be there. The officers, if they're not there, are supposed to get the truth.
They were here, Mr. Lowry. They were here.
Well, I'm saying I'm here. If they're not here, this is unjust to the utmost.
All right, Mr. Taylor, I'm gonna put your client in the breakout room, Mr. Lucas. Have a conversation with Mr. Taylor. It's not ready. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Glenn Lucas. What's gonna be the outcome?
He's going to plead to the littering, Your Honor, just to fine. Everything else should be dismissed.
Want to take this deal, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea on behalf of your client.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, what did you throw out?
Just a piece of paper.
Just a piece of paper. Just a piece of paper. That's how you fit. It's just a piece of paper. You want people to throw stuff all around your front yard and stuff like that?
It wasn't in my. Just no, sir. No, Your Honor.
Oh, so why do you throw it around the city and dirty up the city then?
I do a lot of good for the community. I was upset. I
didn't ask you that.
I just wanted this. I said I'm guilty. I'm sorry. That's all I'm gonna say, sir. Won't have it.
Why dirty up the city?
I clean up and I do a lot of good for the city. I said that I'm sorry. That's the only thing I could do is hold myself accountable for. That's what I'm here doing, sir.
I asked you one question.
And I answered it. I said I was upset.
You were upset, so you threw the paper out.
I was upset, yes. That's my answer. The answer's not going to change. I apologize. It's a lot more worse going on in Detroit than me throwing a piece of paper. People are dying. Right behind the house, they just shot the man.
Listen, I don't need to hear that. I know what goes on in Detroit.
So I just wanted to just do, I pleaded guilty to what I'm to hold myself accountable. That is all.
All right, Mr. Glenn.
I called off work for this and everything.
All right, Mr. Glenn.
No.
Here goes another one. I called off work. I asked you a simple question.
And I answered. How many times do you want me to answer with the same answer? I answered and I held myself accountable.
Go get him another deal. I don't like his attitude. Go get him another deal.
What?
Or have a trial. That's what.
Then have a trial. Either way, it doesn't matter. You want me to answer a question I'm answering. You're talking about my attitude. I'm here and I'm saying that I apologize for it.
Right. No more. I don't need any more from you, sir. Go back and speak with him again, Mr. Taylor.
Okay.
Get your Boathouse back in here. All right, Glenn Lucas, he seems to not want to really accept responsibility. He's sitting there telling me how it's other more important stuff that's going on in the city than him throwing his trash out in front of over the city. So I don't like his attitude.
Your Honor, I'm sure that he didn't mean no disrespect, Your Honor.
I didn't say he meant any disrespect. I'm saying I don't like his attitude, and he doesn't seem to want to take accountability for it. Like it's no big deal.
Judge, I actually did take responsibility.
No, you didn't. You said.
I said
there it goes again. I'm not going to sit here and go back.
I said I apologize.
I know exactly.
On record, I said I took accountability as soon as you asked.
I told you I'm not going back and forth with you. Do not say anymore. I don't need to hear you. I told you how I took what you told me. I heard exactly what you said. So go back and speak with him. We'll get the officer back in here.
We're here. We're ready.
Your Honor, the officer's not here.
He was here. Bolthouse was here. Good morning. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Glenn Marcel Lucas Jr. Officer Bolthouse, good morning to you. State your name, badge number, department for the record, please.
Officer Janine Bolthouse, badge 632, City of Detroit, Detroit Police Department.
All right. And you wrote, which ticket did you write? The open alcohol and motor vehicle passenger and the littering ticket?
Yes, Judge.
All right. Describe your interaction with Mr. Glenn Lucas for me, please.
I would say less than cooperative.
I would say so. That wouldn't surprise me. And tell me this, what did you see him throw out the window?
He threw the initial ticket out of the window, which is why we also issued the littering ticket, Judge.
Oh, all right. Nah, he's not getting this deal. Go back and get him. Go back and get him. Go back and get him. Let's have a trial or something. I'm not giving it to him. That's all it is to it.
Can we get a new trial date, Your Honor?
No. What do we need a new trial date for? She's here.
I know, but I mean, what you want me to go get another offer?
He's either gonna plead to the offer or have a trial.
He was gonna plead to it, Your Honor.
No, not the littering.
Okay.
Not the littering. We give another trial date. This is fast. We can't conceivably have a trial this morning. But he's not getting just the littering.
Yeah, I would prefer another trial date, Judge.
All right.
I'm okay to proceed with trial today, Your Honor.
It's not up to you. All right, listen, I'm gonna tell you this right now. You're not in charge here, okay?
Yes, sir.
Now you see that going down. You lost your little deal because of your mouth.
I just want to just comply with the court. That's all I want to do. I'm here.
Either you're gonna comply or it's gonna be other matters taken if you don't comply. The December the 16th, Mr. Oglestrand?
It's Taylor, Your Honor.
Taylor, I'm sorry.
Yeah, I can do this.
December 16th at 9 a.m. Officer Bolthouse, that's gonna be the rescheduled trial date, and that's gonna be on all of the matters.
Is that by Zoom or here, Your Honor?
Pardon me?
Is that by Zoom or here?
He needs to come on in.
All right, thank you.
All right, that's gonna be in person, Officer Bolthouse.
Thank you.
All right. And I'm sorry, what was that date again, Judge?
December the 16th, in person.
Okay.
Glenn Lucas claimed that he took accountability, but his tone, constant interruptions, and deflective attitude told a very different story, and Judge Perkins recognized it immediately. What began as a minor case involving a traffic ticket escalated because Glenn chose disrespect over restraint, even going so far as to minimize his conduct by saying there were worse things happening in Detroit. This case was never truly about littering or open alcohol. It was about respect for the authority of the court. By revoking the plea deal, Judge Perkins sent a clear and powerful message. A defendant's attitude can determine their outcome. Glenn entered the courtroom expecting an easy resolution and walked out facing trial, all because he could not control his mouth. It was a harsh but necessary lesson in courtroom humility, and a reminder that how you conduct yourself before a judge can matter just as much as the charges themselves.